Hey, Jeremy Kennedy here, and you've got the need for leads, baby. And I'm going to show you something very special today. Just want to quickly demo our newest software, PageBot Pro. And this software is just absolutely badass, guys. And it's going to grab geo-targeted, ultra-targeted leads very quickly, keyword targeted, and it does work on both PC and Mac. So that's very cool stuff. And I'm just going to pop this open for you real quick and show you how it's done. So the first thing you want to do is load up your proxies. If you have proxies, you can absolutely use them. You can see right here I'm going to load up 2,979 proxies. If you don't want to use proxies, that's fine. If you have like a VPN or something else that you want to use, that's perfectly okay. But we did put that feature in there for you. Also, if you're loading up proxies, we got a function where you can actually test these proxies to make sure they're going good. You just click the test proxies button, and it's going to go through here and test all these to make sure that they are working, and it also will let you remove the bad proxies and save those to the file. I'm going to skip that for now. And the next thing you want to look at is the concurrent downloads. You can actually have multiple concurrent downloads, so it goes a lot faster once it gets going. And we're also going to be extracting emails from the website, so that's really cool too. Max results, you could set this, way on up there or way down there. I think right now I have it set at 1 million. Yeah, so many zeros. I gotta kind of look at it there. I got it 1 million max results right now, so we could pull a lot. Next thing you want to do is type in your keyword and location. I'm just going to say plumber, and we're going to look in good old Chicago, Illinois. I guess if I can spell it correctly, Chicago, Illinois. And really cool function of this software is you can actually do multiple keywords and multiple locations at the same time. So you're not doing just one at a time, you're doing multiple. So that's very, very cool. And next thing you want to do is just click the start button. It's going to start running this stuff, and if you give it just a moment, you'll start seeing the businesses start to fly in here, the leads. And you're really going to love it. Give it a good second to just kind of get going, but once you start seeing them come in, then you're going to start seeing them just pile in real quick. It's not going to be instant right at first, but once it gets to working, this puppy really flies. And you can see them start to pile in here now. And just going to show you some of the stuff that you're going to get with this. You're going to get the company name, and you can kind of move these over if you want to look at them a little bit. You're going to get the company name, you're going to get their street address, the full address if it's different, the city, the postal code, a zip code, the state. You get their telephone number, their email, where it's available. Now some of these guys don't put an email up there, but it's going to look on the directory, and it's going to look on the website just to try to find it. It's also going to give you an additional email if it has one, and it's going to give you their website, the business category there, keyword, and location. Now this right here is specifically for separating the leads for you. So if you typed in multiple keywords, then it's going to list them there. That way it makes it easier for you to organize this stuff. But as you can see, I'm already getting quite a few leads here, and it's just going to keep going until it finds them all. And it's really powerful stuff. I don't even have to tell you guys how powerful this is, how easy it is to use. And I'll go ahead and say that there are other software out there that is similar to this, and they are priced at over $100. Okay, there's not many. There's probably two that I've ever seen that do anything close to what we're doing here, and they price at about 97 bucks or above. And you know us, we always give you an immense value and at a really good price. And so I'm really excited to bring this to you guys. And once this is done, you can either click the stop button or just let it run all the way through. I went ahead and stopped it for you so we're not sitting here all day. There's probably a ton of plumbers in Chicago, and I don't want to waste your time. But looks like we got 30 so far. and you just click the stop button. When you click the stop button, it may take a second for it to actually stop. When I clicked stop, I paused it for a second. It took me about a minute for it to actually stop and then change to the waiting status for you to do something. And of course, then you can just go and save the results. So you want to click save, and your little pop-up will come up here, and you can save it as a CSV file. I'll just say plumbers in Chicago, Illinois, chill. Plumbers chill. And you click the save button, and let me just open that up for you, and that'll be saving in CSV format. You can also save it in XLS format as well, the standard Excel format. I like the CSV just because. And once you open this up, you're going to be able to see all that information there for you. You got the header row here, and all that information is going to be there. And so it makes it very easy to sort and use as you need it. So very cool stuff, guys. Of course, we're going to have some training to throw in there. If you're not into the offline niche per se, we're going to show you some really quick ways that you can monetize this stuff, monetize these leads. I'm going to show you some power techniques to where you can monetize it extremely quickly, within days. So of course we're going to throw that in there for you, and just really excited to bring this to you. I hope you're excited. I know a lot of you that are in the offline know how powerful this is, and people that aren't in the offline, you could probably see the power of this as well. So just wanted to give you that quick demo, and thank you very much. Again, this is PageBot Pro. Grab ultra targeted leads fast. We'll see you on the inside.